bondage different?
That is a brilliant question. The reason why it's a brilliant question is because it highlights such a beautiful part of human nature, right? And that is that it will be very, very difficult for you to see me and do me harm, right? That's just general. You will naturally empathise with me. Unless you're a psychopath, you will naturally hold some level of empathy with me. You will feel my pain. You won't feel my pain if someone convinces you that I'm not human, if I'm lesser than you. If so, for example, Hitler propagated the term, I think it's Untermenschen, to describe Jews, which means they're subhuman, right? When Hitler killed when the Nazis killed 6 million Jews, they were describing them as rats, and they actually killed them with pesticide. So they were literally all encompassed. The image of these people being vermin took over their entire being, and that is what, unfortunately, a human has to succumb to do such awful things to another. So that is why we have, there are two things in history, especially like specific to people of the, say, West African diaspora. First of all, there was the curse of Ham. The curse of Ham is scripture in the Bible, which is basically tells a story of how a certain group of individuals were turned black because of their sin. That was justified they extrapolated from that to then say, well, that was the Africans, they're inherited sinners, and therefore we're going to do to them whatever we want because they're born sinful, right? Now, as Western Europe started to deviate away from religion, they started to go towards science. You then have the discipline of, or let's not call it a discipline, let's call it a pseudoscience. You then have the pseudoscience of eugenics coming. Eugenics is essentially people taking anatomical structures of African people and arguing that they're inferior because of X, Y, and Z. But to answer your question, they had to do that to get an amount of people on their side, as well as for profit and for belief, to do such harm to individuals. So the answer to your question is, it came about from profit and for profiteering from the enslavement of other individuals, and the only reason why it came about was because it was needed to get certain individuals to do such harm to other individuals. Does that answer your question?